Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba? Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. Ang artist na si CJ De Silva Ong ay pumanaw sa edad na 36. Visual artist, creative director, podcaster, CJ De Silva Ong has died at 36 years old. In a Facebook post Tuesday morning, her husband, the author Wincy Ong, announced CJ had suffered 2 strokes in the ICU before passing. She fought to the very end, Wincy said in his tribute to his wife. She was a loving wife to me, a loving cat mom to our cats Andres and Max, and a loving daughter to her parents and uncle, he added. According to Wincy, CJ loved the advertising industry so much and described her as a passionate, executive creative director. She used her talents in illustration and painting in championing causes close to heart, he said. CJ was more prominently known as a pro-meal gifted child back in the 90s, and Wincy made sure to mention this in his tribute. But from the many people who visited the hospital or sent in a message or two, I learned that CJ was a gift herself to the people who came to know her, he said. Last week, CJ had an aneurysm, which Wincy publicly shared in a Facebook post. Asking for prayers, he revealed her coiling surgery following the aneurysm was not successful, so another procedure will be implemented. In his tribute, Wincy said he will remember his wife for the kindness she brought to people. Sharing her wish of having a fun and not so serious funeral, Wincy invited their friends to celebrate her 36 na amazing years here on this planet by filling it with things that made her happy: music, conversations, coffee, and good food. CJ's letter wake will be held at the Heritage Park in Taguig City from June 20 to June 22. Her cremation service will be held on June 23, Sunday. Christiana Jade, or CJ, held several solo art exhibits through the years and was also part of group shows held in spaces such as the Ayala Museum and White Space Gallery in Makati City. Some of CJ's later most memorable works were illustrating the Palanca Award-winning children's book, Ang Ikaklit sa Aming Hardin, written by Bernadette Villanueva Neri, and the Itchyworms album cover, After All This Time. Our thoughts and prayers go out to Wincy and the rest of their family. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ang isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko, at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas, at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.